approach theory via biology, translational pharmacology, toxicology computation. In spite of the truth that detailed data at every standard is not as yet facilely obtainable for an offered biological framework, the schema should supply for plain incorporation of datum as and when it begins to be obtainable. The vast era of new medicine discovery was governed by chemistry, whereas at the present time a more rational path is employed where awareness concerning enzymes and receptors has desired a singular discussion between biologists and chemists. Increasingly, the scope is understanding the demand to authorize a closer cooperation of academia and industry to generate a more effective framework for improving modern medications. Systems toxicology is the incorporation of classical toxicology together with quantitative dissection of considerable networks of functional and molecular alterations happening across multiple standards of biological organization. Anyway, the switch from static approach to computable biological network example is thus a substantial move to dissect experimental datum completely and to construct our collective awareness of the toxicological consequences of disclosure to biologically active substances. However, this transition demands a formal language to depict the causative nature of the interactions amidst nodes to complete the gene ontology that formally supplies a coherent frame for the depiction of the nodes themselves. Computational toxicology is the implementation of high-strung computing to run and uncover interactions and patterns in great chemical and biological data sets.